Today we will introduce GOOFIT motorcycle nuts and bottles kit. The product contains different sizes, nuts and bottles. You can see it has long nuts and short nuts. The product also comes with two hexi ratchets. The size is 4mm and 5mm, made of premium quality material, not easy to be correct, solid and reliable. Fits for motorcycle forest, bodywork, bumps, Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Monster motorbike. We have 5 colors available: gold, gray, sulfur, black, red. The package also comes with a dedicated GOOFIT keychain. You can scan the QR code. Follow us on Facebook. Please click product links below. Don't forget to subscribe our GOOFIT YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.